Hi, welcome to this video, how to turn off CarPlay on iPhone. The quickest method is to disable Bluetooth. CarPlay can run without Bluetooth and of course the AirDrop, right? So make sure to turn it off. Next, if you want to remove the car entirely from your CarPlay, go ahead to the settings, General, CarPlay. Inside, select your car and hit the red button for Get This Car and double click to confirm to remove this car entirely from your CarPlay. So consider liking this video, subscribing, it really helps with